Hello everyone. Today's problem is yet another interesting problem in the string series. Given a string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. Even the problem statement is simple. Let's get some additional information. What is a palindromic substring? When you divide it at the middle, it should have the same substring on each side. There could be one lone character in the middle, but the rest of them will always be in pairs. Second, you don't have to remove the characters to make a palindrome. The palindrome should exist as a contiguous substring. What if we have multiple palindromes of the same length? Return any one and that is fine. The constraints look like this. The length of the string will be at least 1 and can go up to 1000, and the string will only contain digits and English letters. Now, coming to the approach, we use the famous two-pointer approach. We start with both pointers at the same position for odd cases. We then move the left pointer towards the left and the right pointer towards the right until the left and the right values are the same. For the even case, we start with the pointers right next to each other. One pointer goes to the left and the other one goes to the right till we find the characters that are equal. There are other ways to solve this problem where we consider each element and keep increasing the length and then check if it's a palindrome. But that approach is tedious and long. The time complexity might be O of n cubed. So let's look at the code to understand this approach further. Since we have to return the string itself, we need to mark the positions of the start and the end of the palindrome. We can use a tuple for that. The next bit is iterating through each character in the string, and then considering both possibilities, an odd palindrome or an even palindrome. For the odd palindrome, we start at the middle and then keep expanding on both ends till we reach the start or the end, while also checking the characters at the left and the right position to see if they are equal. For the even palindrome, we start with the character and its neighbor to the right. We do the same thing we did for the odd palindrome. Now, all we have to do is check the maximum length after each iteration of the odd and the even palindrome and store the value of the left and the right pointers that have the maximum length. And in the end, just return the string using these pointers. The output for some of the test cases look like this. Coming to the time complexity, for every character we spread out to the left and to the right twice for odd and even cases, so the time complexity would be O of n and into O of 2n, which will be O of 2n square. So the complexity will be O of n square. The space complexity will be constant. We pretty much use the same variables to calculate the palindromic substring. Okay, that was it for today's problem. How will you code the problem if instead of finding a substring, we are looking for a palindromic subsequence? Please let me know in the comments below. And with that, the usual, please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you found my content useful. And do keep learning more algorithms. Thank you. Bye.